Alright guys, so we're going to get started on January 2nd. The first was a holiday, so actually the market was closed. And we'll press go. And there's the first candle of 2020. And we have a trade on the second at what time?
10:04.
So we'll go to 10:04. And the first trade we have is NEM. So again, we already picked out like all the trades that would have popped up on the scanner, and we already know if it matches with how we like chart the trend, and it does. So we're actually going to take this trade. What's the expiry date?
24th January.
Strike price
44.87 cents.
So 87 cents. That's good.
Route 115.
Remember, we're doing 10% of our position of our count into each position.
$25.
And so if you see cost of trade, $10,000 and $5. So we're going to take this trade. And we got filled. Bloop. Let's go to monitor. Cool. Do we have another trade on the third? On the second, sorry.
Yeah, we have COP.
So about 40 minutes later,
10:46.
our scanner popped up another trade idea. 10:46?
Yeah.
And we are trading COP. Conoco Phillips. Honestly, don't know what company that is.
I was thinking of Phillips like too.
All right, and we're looking for. Oh, sorry. COP 24.
Yeah. 66. 123.
So it's a little below.
So I'd say.
But we're gonna go for it.
3.
83 contracts.
Just be close. Oh, good. Oh.
A little more.
88.
Alright, so far we have 2 trades on the second, and we're negative $230. So not bad. Remember, we have a 100K account, so we're not worried about $230.
We have another one at 13:43.
13:43. Is that 2 p.m.?
Yeah. 2:43. Wait, 1:43. No,
oh yeah, 1:43. So what's the
Bidu?
Bidu.
Hey, there's a picture of a pop.
Nice pop today. Okay, so we're going to take this trade.
On the 10th.
Expires on the 10th. 145. This one?
Oh, 140. The price is 145. Strike price 140. So it's 146 now. And 67.
67 contracts.
No.
A little bit more.
60 or
70. 10,150 cost. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so on the second, we had 3 trades in total. Sorry, guys. And we're currently negative 2,500. But remember, we're going to look to take profit at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day. Like first 10 minutes and last 10 minutes. So because we have no more trades on this day, we're going to skip forward to the last 10 minutes of the day, which is 1550, which is 350. And if any trades are above 50% profit, then we're going to take money off the table. So Bidu is exactly at 50%. So we're going to stick to our plan. We're going to take 50% off. That's the.
Hard to see.
It's hard to see because of the thing.
Community buy 70, so 35.
35.
Yeah, we have it there. I'll just.
Can you, since I can't see this, can you write down how many we buy each time? That way.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So we sold 50%, and for $2,500 profit. Cool, looks good. So we're gonna go to the next day, since this day is pretty much over. So we're gonna go to the third, and we're gonna go to 9:30, because that's when the market opens. And if anything is above 50%, we're gonna take profit. Now Bidu, because we already took profit at 50%, then it has to reach 100% for us to take profit again. And COP is up a little bit. Everything else is kind of down. See, Bidu's down today, so it's a good thing that we took profit yesterday. Alright, so today we have 2 trades.
First one at 11.19. IQ.
Look at IQ. Nice little pump going on these past 2 days. So let's trade it. Pump.
131. Strike price 25. 31st. 25. 66. And that'll be 167.
167 contracts?
It's cheap.
Oh, a little bit more. Let's do 170.
We're getting cheaper.
Yeah, 1030. Okay, so that was our first trade for the third. Position still a little bit in the negative. That's okay though. We have another trade today.
14. 209.
Yeah, 209.
It's military time.
It's annoying. 1409. And what is it?
TRGP.
TRGP. So, like, we're not showing the indicators that we use to look for trend. We'll show it at the end of all these videos, maybe. But this is pretty much an experiment for us. We're going to trade all of January all the way through July with this 100K account, the same account, and see what we come out with at the end. So what is it? IQ? Oh, TRGP. What's the
20? Same thing, 21st.
For what?
42. 145. Right there. 69.
Just gonna do even 70. Alright.
Those are only 2 trades for the day.
Okay, and that's a Friday, so we're gonna skip to the end of the day. Right now we're still in negative. So we're gonna skip to the end of the day and see if we can take profit out of anything. So remember, we're swing trading, so like we might be in the red a couple days, but it pays off to wait, and hopefully you'll see that in this video. So nothing, everything is pretty much down. At least COP is up a little bit, 16%. We're down on Bidu, 54%, even though yesterday we were at 50%. So right now we're pretty much at break even. Alright, so we're going to move on to Monday, the 6th, and apply the same rules. If there's 50% or more profit, we're going to take it off the table, and if there's not, then we look to see if we have any trades that day. Alrighty. Oh, some stuff jumped.
COP is up.
COP is up. Yeah, let's look at these charts real quick. That's annoying. Ooh, COP kind of gapped up a little bit. Closed here on Friday, and it opened here today. kind of going down. Yeah. So we actually don't have any trades on this day. So we're just going to skip to the end of the day because there's nothing to do on this day. Nice. 15.50. 40%. But let's skip maybe 5 minutes ahead just to see what happens with cotton. Maybe we'll get lucky. At least take 50% off the table. That'll be good. This buffering thing, dude, sometimes. Sorry, guys. Just bear with us. No, I went back down. Alright, so 6 is done. So now we're going to go to 7th. 9:30. And as you can see, we're currently down 5,000 now. But that's not bad. That's only 5% of our total account size. So that's pretty good. Nothing to worry about there. Alright, do we have a trade on the 7th?
Yeah, we have one at 1027.
Okay, so it's 9:30 and there's nothing to take profit on, so we're just gonna move on to the next trade. What's the thing?
T-com.
Let me go back to that. Nice little pumps here. Okay, so T-com
expires on the 21st.
we're looking for calls at 38. 21st?
Yeah. So 7.
Yeah.
97.
What?
97.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, so still negative on this is a break even. Everything else is kind of negative. We're gonna let them ride though, because we're only down
5%, 6%.
yeah, about 6%. So no worries there. Alright, so let's go end of the day. No more trades on the 7th, right?
Yeah, otherwise. Only trade.
So we're going to end of the day at 3:50 p.m. and see if anything is doing well. Oh,
T-com, 50%.
oh, T-com.
We bought 97.
Yeah.
97. Oops. 40, 41, whichever one you do.
Was it 48?
48.5.
Yeah, 49. So remember, we're selling half of the position because we're at 50% profit. I know that noise is awesome. And COP is trying to go up, but it's still. Let me fast forward a little bit. It's super important to take profit because if you just want to let positions ride, then they might not, and then you'll lose money. So Beidou is a perfect example. We took profit, we took half off, and then it went back down. So we're gonna keep letting this ride because of the January 10th. Like that's like this same Friday. Yeah, it's in 3 days, so we might as well just let it ride and see what happens with it since we already took profit. Alright, so everything looks the same pretty much.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna go next day, 9:30.
I said tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. The 8th of January. COP is still struggling. Everything else still down.
Same with
And so far we're about 7% down on our account.
Alright, one trade.
So on the 8th we have a trade.
1244.
12:44. What is it?
BYD.
BYND. Yeah, the day before. Today is struggling, but we're gonna take it. All right. What's the 17th of January?
Yeah.
Why can't I find it? Oh. What's the thing?
96.
So 96
It was
calls.
at 172, so I guess we got a little early. What's a little later?
Yeah, we'll take it. It should be around 98 because it's 103. Yeah, 98. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions open, and we are 18% down, $18,000 down. But these positions have time on them, so like when you're swinging, you gotta get used to like being in the red because they have time on them. So like you gotta wait on them. We're not day trading, so we're swing trading.
You can be red for a couple of days,
Right.
weeks, depending on the expiration.
Yeah, you could be red for 1 to 2 weeks, and then I don't know, something happened. Okay, so we're going end of day on the ace. Ooh, 21,000 down. Everything's still kind of.
IQ bounced.
It
It
did.
was in the red for a while.
Let me go 5 minutes out. See what happens.
And cop is now down. I think it's a profit.
You're fine.
I keep swinging.
Okay, so everything's still down. No worries. Okay, so we'll go to the next. We don't have a trade until the 13th, but that doesn't mean we're going to skip to the 13th. We're still going to go to the 9th at the beginning end of day, 10th beginning end of day. 10th we have Beyond expires on the, or no, Bidu expires on the 10th. So like we kind of have to see what happens on those days. So we'll go to the 9th. Everything's still down.
Bidu is back.
Bidu coming back up. Remember, this was down at minus like 56,
Yeah, around that.
and now we're back up to 24%. So
Beautiful.
it's good to wait. Yeah. Strong hands. So let's go end of day.
Ooh.
Oh snap!
BYD.
BYND at 100%. Let's look at that chart real quick. What happened?
A lot, yeah.
Nothing even. It's just pumping. Remember, we opened on this day, so now it's up here. So let's close some profit on BYND.
We bought 98 of them, so 49.
I'm just gonna stop it. Oh, and did it get?
Wait, did you go back?
Oh. Did I sell the wrong one?
Yeah, I think you sold something in half.
No, I didn't.
But look, it says right. Where the red is where you sold. If you go back to trade. Yeah.
Oh my god, we're gonna have to do this video again.
No.
I feel so stupid.
No. It was going pretty smooth.
It was, dude.
And look, and then it said like position green, which is what the position.
I thought it was
and
getting
then-
filled. That's why I was like, but then I heard the noise and I was like, because like you know when it doesn't get filled, it stays there, like next to it.
Because then you look, and then it was like green, and then red above. You saw like 95 instead of 96. Yeah, that happened to me too.
Alright, let's do it again.
Happened to me over there when I was recording the first time. I had to restart.
Okay, guys. Freaking hell.
But if we just like upload a 5-hour video and we're just like, let's go again.
about to get to that high profit the next day.
So I do that?
Please don't.
Please.
All right, ready? Make sure this, because you keep like drifting off,
like,
bro.
I literally went like this so many times in the video. I'm like, wee.
All right, let's go. We can do it.
Okay.
In the frame.
I kept looking at myself. I had all of them too. At least I know here. Because I had like what we sold. Type of we bought 97.
Oh yeah, make sure to do that because since this thing is blocking the thing, I can't access the percentage.
So I'll leave it here for now and edit it if I have to. Or should I just put them back?
No, just leave it. Whatever you want. Ready?
What up, boogers?
All right, guys. So.
I had to take it. I don't want to take my camera. I had to rub it. Dude, my motors are coming in. It's bad.
You good? All right, guys. So, why is happening again? Oh, I got it. Stop. Cut. But it was good, like the commentary and stuff. Like it was smooth.
I just feel weird.
What do you mean?
I'm just like, yeah. What up?
Or how about you do it?
What am I supposed to say?
No. Like I'll talk, but you control the thing. And I'll do this.
Be careful. My babe texts me. Respond kindly.
I'm not gonna respond.
Okay. She's like, I love you. Okay. She killed me. She was like, what do you mean, okay? I'm never coming over again. I'm like, no.
Just say you feel like you're doing something.
Well, she knows that I'm here doing it. You know what I'm saying? But she starts a new job today. Not wrong.
Wait, let me see the mouse.
She's like in the stock.
Oh yeah, let's share just in case. Because I like zooming in on the charts and like going back to the charts and doing whatever. No.
That way they know I'm doing something at least.
They know you're doing something, just like I'll say like put it in, you know. It's not like they can see my hand.
They can see my.
What? Oh my gosh. Alright, ready? You finish your whole thing?
Right, I get nervous. I drink a lot. That's why I come to church.
Alright. Alright. Mind your being in the thing. Alright, ready?
We weren't even halfway, but still.
We weren't halfway. It would have been bad if it was like here.
We're at like square. Look over squares. At that point, we should have just cut it. Like I feel like this.
Alright, ready? Yeah. Alright, guys. So we're gonna start on January. Come on.
That was cool. It wasn't. I tried it out. I'm like, that was so lame. I'm like, I have people that I know.
To do that.
I know hood rats. They're not gonna think this is acceptable.
No.
They're gonna clown me. They can. Okay.
Alright.
If they even watch it, it's an hour long.
For real.
People who don't care probably don't even want to.
No. Only real people who are gonna care about it.
Watch them.
But I've seen his warrior trading videos. Those are long. Yeah, because he'll put like his live sessions trading, but he won't explain what he's doing.
He just like.
He's like, all right, guys, but he like gets in super because he's looking at like 5-minute charts. So he's like, boom, get in, get out, get in, get out, get in, like all day.
Like a scalper. That's what it seems like, right?
Yeah, it is. He doesn't hold anything overnight.
Doesn't he trade penny too? You never hold penny.
That's the other thing about stocks is that he doesn't even trade options. He trades like the actual stock. And so to make money, you gotta have a lot. Because stocks, like when you buy the stock, it doesn't move like buying the options underneath the stock. Anyways,
It's another video, guys. Why we hate.
where you're trading.
I paid 3,000 a year when you just paid 2,000 once.
Mm-hmm. Oh man, dang, we're so close.
We were happy when we
I know.
But we were like going smoothly through.
All right, let's
And
do
it wasn't
again.
taking that long for both.
We can
of
do
us.
it. We can do it. We can do it. Sorry.
Where did the crust? Oh, you have it. Where'd the mofongo? Yeah, but guys, I have mofongo. Give me some green.
All right.
Let me get you my ball. It was the side buy.
All right, guys. So we're Juan, stop, bro. Come on, I'm trying to start.
I went.
Stop! Oh my god.
Is this Lumina?
Yes, your
Really?
mother. Let's
Really?
go.
You see it? Why
Yeah.
did Kevin do it?
I'm just kidding. You ready? Come on, I'll punch you in the face. Stop.
You see on camera. You make the whole video on that.
Guys, so today we're gonna start. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so we're starting on January 2nd because January 1st the market was closed. So 9:30 a.m. market opens. And we should see, oh, I gotta play it. There's the first candle. Alright, so on the second we have 3 trades. And we're gonna go to our first one at
10:04.
10:04.
Forgot I
Use the arrows.
Oh, crap.
So NEM at 10:04, and we're looking for 44 calls at what? 124.
Yeah, 124.
And how many are we doing?
114. No, 115.
I'm gonna switch because I'm confused. 114. Remember, we're doing 10% of our position into, or 10% of our account into each position. So we have a $100,000 account. So we're gonna do 10K into each position.
So I think we got
115.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10:05. On the dot.
on the money. It's who I am.
And then same day we have another trade at
10:46.
10:46.
Cop.
Cop.
Yeah.
Pinocchio Phillips. Cool. All right, and we're looking for
Strike price 66. $1.23.
a little cheaper.
I'd say like I think we had 85 last time.
85.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so 2 positions open. We're down $230 so far.
So
And we have one more trade on the second.
at 13:43. Okay,
Oh my gosh. 13:43. And we are trading Bidu.
Sounds like an animal.
Nice punt today. And we're looking for
10th January. Strike price 140. $1.45. Perfect. So that's 60 now.
so 140 calls on January 10th.
Yes.
How many?
69.
I'm do 70. Yeah, that's fine. So sometimes you go a little over, like 10.1%, but it's not a big deal. Try to get it as close as possible. Alright, so today we are down
2%.
around 2% of our total account. Remember, we're going to take profit at 50% at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day. So because we have no more trades on the 2nd, we're going to skip to the end of the day.
15.50.
And if anything is above 50%, then we're going to take half of the position away. So we got to stick to our trading plan, and we're not going to deviate from it. Oh, nice, Bidu. 50%. So let's take 50 off. Let me get the right one.
35.
35?
Yeah.
Right, because we bought 70, so we're selling 35 one. Cool. And everything else is still down. So let me move 5 minutes ahead.
Just to see.
I doubt anything's going to happen. It's not like this is going to jump up to 50%, but
30%. Nothing.
yeah.
It went down, didn't it, if anything, so we can't take profit.
Yeah, good thing we took profit at last 10 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go to the next day on the 3rd. On the 3rd, we have 2 trades, but we got to check the morning first. 9:30. See how everything is doing.
See, look.
So Bidu is back down at minus 17, so good thing we actually took profit the day before. And on the 3rd, we have a trade at
11.19. BIQ.
what's the stock?
IQ. Intelligent Corp.
Nice little pumps these past 2 days. So we're looking for what? 25 calls at 131. Bless you, bro.
Thank you.
What's the price?
Yeah, 25, 60 cents.
60 cents.
So around 167.
Yeah, so 1020.
Yeah.
Alright, so everything's pretty much down except for COP. And we're 3.6% of our total account so far. Oh, we have another trade today. What time?
14.09. If you put it regular 209, will it allow it or will it
No,
not
I
allow
won't
it?
do it. You gotta do military time.
Shout out to the troops.
What's the thing?
TRGP. Targ.
And we're looking for 42
At 21.
calls on 221.
145. That'll be 69.
Do 70. Alright, so right now we have 5 trades open and we're down $6,600, which is around 6% of our account, which isn't too bad. So we're going to skip to the end of the day. It's a Friday. And if anything is above 50%, then we're going to take profit on it. Unless we already took profit on it, which was Bidu.
Yeah, Bidu we
Yeah,
took.
Bidu we already took.
That was
So-
gonna be one.
Everything else is down.
Nothing.
So we're going to hold everything for the weekend and we're going to skip to Monday,
6.
the 6th
9:30.
at 9:30.
Don't actually have a trade that day.
Oh, nice. COP is up.
TRGP.
Everything else is pretty much down. Look at Bidu, minus 68%. But we already took profit at 50%. So even if this thing goes to, like, we lose the whole position at minus 100, we're going to end up breaking even because we took profit at that 50%. And this expires this week on the 10th. So we're just going to let it ride to the 10th. See what happens. All right, so 6, we have no trades.
Let's go
Nothing
the
to do in the morning.
Go to the end of the day.
Yeah, so let's go end the day. This buffering thing is working fast today.
Yes, it is. Comp up 40%.
40%. Let's see if it does anything last 5 minutes. No, still down.
See, I think OnDemand is quick today.
I know. Sometimes this buffering thing takes forever, but
I think probably because it was only 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It'll be really close in time.
All right, so nothing to do on the 6th. So now we're gonna go to the 7th at 9:30. Remember, we're swinging all these positions, so we're holding them for a couple days, sometimes weeks, and sometimes we're gonna be red for a week or two. But we just gotta be patient, hold them out, and because we're doing correct risk management, we're not gonna worry if we lose all the positions, which we won't. But
Theoretically.
just keep that in mind. Yeah, theoretically. So nothing to do in the morning.
We have one at 10:27.
And we have a trade at 10:27. So I know you're probably wondering, like, where are they getting these trades from? Again, like, as we explained in the beginning, we get them from a scanner based on criteria, and then based on the chart, like, there's two indicators that we use to check the trend. And so if we're getting calls, we want to make sure that we're getting a bullish trend, and if we're getting puts, then we want to make sure we're getting a bearish trend. And that's kind of how we go in on each trade. So if we get a position and it says calls and the chart doesn't match calls, like it matches, like it's below our indicators, then we're not gonna get in that position because it doesn't match with our plan. So we want to stick to our plan. So 10:27. What are we trading?
T-com.
All right. Sorry. What are we looking for?
The 21st February. It's the same thing.
38 calls.
42. This is 145. A little cheaper.
T-com?
Yeah.
We're at the right time?
Yeah, no, you're right. I read it wrong. I was looking at TGR.
Oh, okay. 105.
And that's
Like 95?
yeah, it should be fine. Like 97.
Okay. So I don't think we have any more trades on the 7th.
See how
So let's skip to end of day and see how everything is going. Oh, 52 on TCOM. So let's take profit on TCOM.
I'll be 49.
Did I do? Let's just do 50. Oh, that's an alert for live market. Alrighty. So we took profit on TCOM at 50%. And Bidu's down minus 52%.
I think we took profit.
Do 5 minutes. What happens? So cool, 7th. So we're gonna go to the 8th. And we have a trade on the 8th. But let's check the morning. So notice how, like, again, like we've taken profit on 2 positions already, but like we're still in the negative for the week. We're still $7,000 down, but with the profit that we've taken, really we're only $2,000 down. I hope that makes sense. Nothing to do, right?
No.
All right, so let's go to our trade that we have today, which is what? At what time?
12:44.
So 12:44. We're trading BYD. Dang, I zoomed in.
Easy to look at, but
Cool. So nice pump yesterday, and we're getting in on this candle.
17th January.
This one.
Yep. Strike price $96.72.
Looking for calls at 96. What?
It's at 172. It's a little cheaper. Because we're like,
Okay. How many?
$60. Try it out. Because it's a little bit cheaper.
267.
A lot more. Because it's a lot cheaper. We're getting in like a minute late.
Oh, 113. Oh, it went up 113. Oh my gosh. 280. No. Remember, we're trying to hit a 10K position here. You're right, 90. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so January 8th, we're $19,000 down. But with the profit, we're only $13,000 down so far.
19%.
Alright, so let's skip to end of day. See what happens. And we have no more trades the rest of the week.
Not until the 13th.
Not until
Next Monday.
next Monday. But we gotta check the 9th. We gotta check the morning and the end. The 10th, the morning and the end, to see if we take any profit. And is it Bidu?
Yeah, Bidu
expires on the 10th. So like regardless, we're gonna look to close that around the morning time. But let's see what happens on the 8 purse.
Nothing so far.
Yeah, everything's just normal. Alright, so let's go to the 9th.
Bidu bounce, right?
So Bidu's bouncing, and it's in the money.
IQ is up.
So everything's kind of up today. Let's go to the end of the day because there's no trades today. So we're just going to skip to the end of the day to see if there's anything to do there.
BYD.
Oh, BYD at 100%. So we're going to take profit.
45.
How many?
45.
See, this is what I think this is what happened because this one's highlighted, but it's this one that we have. 45?
Yeah. Thinking about
I know. Alright, so we sold half of it at 100%. So we already made our money back because half of it at 100% means we just made 10K profit.
covered our whole position.
So our total year-to-date profit so far is $6,000. Remember, we started trading on the 2nd, so it's only been a week, and we're up $6,000. And all we had to do was hold through these red days. Just be patient and hold for a couple days, and you'll see the green. Just gotta hold. So 9th, nothing to do. And Friday morning, remember Bidu expires. So like that's the first thing we're gonna look at. Even if other things are higher, we're gonna look at to sell Bidu in the morning because that's when it expires. Like it expires on the 10th. Oh, Bidu at 100 and BYD at 155. But we already took profit at 100, so we're gonna wait till this hits 200 to take profit. If it does. But yeah, let's take profit on Bidu.
We have 34 left.
How many do we have left?
34.
I saw 34? Or
We have 34 left.
Oh.
That's what I'm the number running down. We have left.
We have 34. Right, but this expires today, so we're just going to get rid of our whole position.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
That P now.
So, BYD up at 148. Remember, we already took profit at...
IQ. IQ is up at 56.
Oh, let's take profit on IQ.
IQ about 167. 84.
Huh? 84?
84, yeah.
Alright, anything else? This is 34. Oh, it went down as we sold it. Jeez. Like we sold a minute too late, but it's okay. Profit is profit. That moved quick. It was at 50% and then it dropped to 34%. So we only got...
Really?
But it's all good.
So.
Alright, so that's the 10th. We sold our Bidu contracts, but let's go to the end of the day. Whoa, BYD 300%.
And Bidu 2.
What the heck?
That's like you.
Oh, I'm like, wait. Oh, it's pumping. Nice. So let's get rid of. What did you say about Bidu?
214. Remember, we sold at 50, 100, and now we take out after another 100 at 200. We trim it again. We sold. Oh, we sold the
I
rest.
sold all of it. No,
Oh,
I didn't.
You did?
I didn't.
What did we sell?
I thought I did too.
How much
Let's
did we
look. Alright, let's just get rid of BYD. Not all of it. How many do we have of BYD?
45.
So, just 10. Alright, we gotta get rid of our Bidu because that expires today. I thought I sold it all in the morning. But I guess I made a mistake.
I think I might have wrote down.
I mean, it's fine that I waited regardless, but it's all good. How many do we have left? Oh, we have one.
I guess so. We did have 35.
We hit 35 and we sold 34. Alright. Sorry about that.
No, my mistake.
You're good. Where's it at? So we have one of these contracts, guys. Now, if we would have waited to the end of the day to sell, we would have made more money, but we always like to sell in the beginning. Wow, $440.
And we were sticking to our rule.
Yeah.
Because it opened up at.
Okay. So we already took profit on BYD, right?
Yeah. We took 10.
Everything else is kind of down. So that's the end of the week on the 10th. And we are $14,000 up just by waiting on these positions. Like, all these are still negative, but taking profit on these things is bringing us back over the green.
Like Bidu's a good example.
Right.
We profited at 50, went down 50, 70, and went back up to 100, then 200.
Mm-hmm. All right, so now we're going to move to the 13th. Hold these over the weekend and see what happens. Do 0, 0. Seconds matters. So BYD 480. Oh my gosh. This thing is it's gapping. We bought here, guys. No. Yeah. Oh wait, this is bitter.
Oh,
come on.
What I'm saying.
We bought at this candle. Now it's gapped up here.
513.
Oh man. So let's have some of that.
So we have 35 left. You sold 10 last time.
We have how many do we left?
35. You sold 10 last time. You did 15 or something.
I should do 10.
Another 10. Yeah, that one's good.
Okay, so it's getting filled. The stock might be like halted or something, and that's why it didn't get filled right away. This is the thing about trading on demand and trading like with paper money by TD Ameritrade is that paper money you always get filled, and on demand you might not always get filled, and you'll have to wait. Like right now we have to wait till this gets filled to move on, because on demand records like every single thing that happened that day in live market. That's why it's not getting filled. So we kind of there it is. So we're at 542% so far. We've made $30,000 on that stock. That's pretty amazing. We still have $15,000 open of profit. So if we close it all right now,
45,000.
Yeah, it'd be great, but we could let it wait because we already took profit on it a couple times. So. All right, so 13th.
1254 CGC.
So we have a trade on the 13th at 1254. What? 1254 and CGC. That's that good stock. What?
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. All right, so we're looking for 24 calls at 124.
67 cents.
little more. How many are we doing?
150. 150 on his mouth.
It's a little too much.
What was it at?
It's like 10,200.
So 148.
148. CGC calls. Oh my gosh, our BYND is at
1,300%.
1,300%. Let's take profit.
So, we have
So that's another time that we take profit. Like if we're opening a position in the middle of the day, like this case, it's almost 1 p.m. and we see, you know, something going crazy. Where's BYND? Then, you know, might as well take some profit on it.
especially
We
for
have
500 more percent.
25 of them.
So,
Where's it at?
you want to expire this week too?
This one?
Yeah. This one. We're going to highlight it.
We have 25. I'm just gonna sell 5. All right, and no more trades on the 13th. So let's go to end of day. I'm sure BYND is gonna keep riding. It's insane. 1,600%. Let's sell 5 more. Why not? This is the right one.
Just off that alone, you recover your position.
Alright. So now we're at $57,000 profit. And we're really only like 2 weeks into January. The beginning of the month was rough, but we're getting there. Alright, so let's go end of day. We have no more trades on the 13th? Oh wait, that was end of day.
So
14th. 9:30.
2 trades. Let's see how
Whoa. BYND.
Bang.
Oh my gosh.
You sold another 5.
Should we? Let me look at the chart. It's a red candle. I'm gonna, like, because these were all green and these were red, like that, even though it's gapping up. I don't know, I could let it go. What do you think? Just close it off? I mean, $42,000 open. If we close that right now, let's close it. So we're gonna close BYND.
We have 20 left. I think I should say if we go back tomorrow.
Yeah.
15.
15 left.
Good.
What? 15.
10 we don't have.
Don't sell something you don't have. That's super dangerous.
Yeah, that mistake. OnDemand though.
Yeah.
Gotta
OnDemand.
clarify. Look at that. 7.
73. Alright guys, so BYND, we've made $73,000 off of that one stock. So let's keep moving. Trades on the 14th. We have 2.
1 at 14.11.
Wait, nothing to do in the morning anymore? That's it, right?
Everything's. CGC is almost there. It's not 50.
I guess we could, like, because it's almost there, we can
Like
look at the
5
chart.
minutes.
Yeah.
If we'd be there, that's the.
It's not doing too bad. Let's see. Oh.
It's still buffering.
Oh. Still buffering. Now it's taking long. I think, like, the more positions you open.
Because it was fine. 91%.
Whoa. So let's take some profit off of that.
See, we have 148. 74. Made our whole position back. Pretty much.
Pretty much. Great. All right, so we have a trade on the 14th.
14.11. The time. Sorry.
Oh.
Forgot to clarify. Playing with 14.
And we're trading
Back.
Bank of America.
Chase.
I've chased, sorry. Okay. And we're looking for calls at 37.
214.
What is it?
37. 30 cents. Okay. So I'm gonna buy 330.
Dang. These are cheap right now. 334 Bank of America calls. How many positions are open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 positions open.
Only up
We
down
have
15%. What
yeah.
for what's open?
Well, with open,
Yeah.
like what we've made. Okay, great. So, any more trades on the 14th?
Yeah, we have one more artillery.
Another good stock.
If you know, you know.
What's the thing?
1538. I hope I know, but I don't know. If not, we just look really. If you know, you know.
It's alright. So if, like, I think we mentioned in the beginning, but if you want to trade with us, like, you can pull up your on-demand and go to the time and date that we're taking these trades and just move along with us. If you can make money on demand, you can make money on your real account. So, what are we doing?
Nothing.
Oh, Tilleray.
Nothing for us to take profit on. I was just looking.
Oh, okay.
So we already took profit
on CGC.
Yeah, basically 100.
So what's Tilleray?
24th, January 24th. 22 and 29. Strike price 22.
But it's 124th?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit more expensive.
22?
Yeah.
No. Oh, you're right. Sorry. I'm doubting. Sorry.
This is all the time, guys.
Sorry. What is it, honey?
It's a little more expensive, so 60. Oh. So $50. Okay.
What the heck?
I'm telling you,
That's right.
I was almost on the money.
This is still T-Com. We already took profit once, right?
Yep.
We've closed 3 positions so far.
Bidu, BYD.
Bidu and BYD. All right, so yeah. I mean, we're pretty much there. So 1550. Let's see what's going on. Come on, buffering. It's buffering the buffer.
Tilleray, no. Nothing for us to take profit on.
Yeah, so let's move on.
15.
15.
2 trades. Second morning. Bam, 300%.
I wish.
What happens on me?
15th, 9:30. Oh, 100.
It's a profit
We
at
kind of
90.
96.
Yeah, so.
But we could take a little bit of profit because, like, technically we take profit over 50, but now it's at 100, so.
We have 74 left.
I'll do something small, like.
30. I don't know if that's small.
74?
Yeah.
We should do 14.
Make it even.
Make it even. Okay.
Everything else, we already took profit on T-Com.
And any trades on the 15th? Yes. 2 trades.
1 at 10, 11.
And what are we trading?
FSOI.
First solar.
Hello, sir. Okay, now you
First solar. It's like a solar company.
don't buy solar. It's expensive.
We're looking for puts. This is our first put. We've done calls pretty
Shade
much.
2.
And this looks like a good gap down, so it makes sense why we're looking for puts.
This expires on 24th.
January 24th?
Yeah, strike price 53, 47 cents.
Wait, what is the strike price?
53.
It's in the money?
Supposed to be 47 cents. We're at 10:12 now. It's a minute later. I think it's 40 cents is good strike price.
We'll take it, because that's what we're going to do. So we'll just take it. We're taking it in the money, but I guess it moved a lot in that minute. And you're not always going to be on time to call. So, like, you know, by the time you check the chart and do everything, you might be this late a little bit.
52. Right.
It's moving. Alright, and CGC up again. And we have one more trade on the 15th.
Yep. AMD 1506, 06.
AMD calls?
Yeah.
49, 320 calls.
A little expensive. No, it's
Dang, that's expensive.
20 mountain 25. 25. That was an LAB.
Alright, guys, so
Everything else is
we already took profit on these two, so we're just letting them go. Everything else is down.
NEF has not recovered.
These, remember, these were our first trades in the beginning of the month. NEM, sucks, COP,
Did we take profit?
TRGP. I don't remember. I think we were like, it was close. It was like 40 something.
Yeah, we took. We know we bought it. Never mind.
Yeah, no. Alright, so end of day, 15? Is that it?
That's the only trade for the day. What, 1, 2.
So let's go to end of day and see how
Everything's doing.
all trades are doing.
No country. All trades are doing. Feels so good.
You keep saying that, like 300%.
It's gonna happen. Oh,
Oh!
I saw 3. CGC 137.
So it's above our. It's not at our 200. So let's look at the chart though, because if it's not looking good,
We see it right.
we can take some profit. Yeah. Well, it's not looking bad. We'll just leave it.
Already are up 8 on it.
All right, FSLR down, TCOM, and all these are down. Okay, so next day, 16th.
Thursday, favorite day of the week.
Does anything expire on the 17th?
Yeah, BYD. We already sold it all. So
Oh, we already sold it all.
it was at 2,500%.
Yeah. And that's it, right?
Yeah, still.
And then the next week, a lot of things expire the next week.
24th, yeah. Still buffing.
148 on CGC. We already took profit on this and this. Ooh. I don't like that. But then again, like these were red candles, you know, like this was open here and then it traveled this way and then it traveled back up. So I guess we'll take profit when it hits 200, if it hits 200.
Either way, we're still.
Either way, we're up right now, so we're good. Okay, any trades on the
16th.
16.
15, 20.
Stamps.com. Yeah.
That's the thing. What is it, like collector stamps?
No, like stamps.
People say stamps.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. Send my grandma postcard.
Okay, well this looks. We'll take it.
Oh no, it's too expensive.
320.
Yep. One strike price $110. $4.
This is like really out of the money.
I get like 20.
How many?
20. This is expensive. It's like $2 more.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, in real time, we'll just calculate it, but
Yeah, that's fine.
because we have it written down, so we just kind of go off this.
24. Alright, so that's it for the 16th. We don't have any trades until the 21st. We have a 3-day weekend. So tomorrow is when BYND. Oh, wait. Did I go in the day? No. So let me go in the day first. But tomorrow BYND expires on the 17th, but we already closed it, so we won't worry about it. Come
Man, I was way off.
on.
I wasn't.
Ooh, stamps. Almost there.
5 minutes. Come on.
Look at this. Imagine somebody sold puts here. That's crazy. No. Alright, so 17th.
9:30.
Sorry, I couldn't see. It's like. Alright. 17th, no trades though, right?
No.
So we're just checking beginning and end of day. Oh, T-Con. Well, we already took profit on that.
Ooh, back.
Really? Oh man, what the heck happened to back?
Big gulp.
Dang, this thing gapped down from here. We should close it. Let's take the loss.
Going
on
back up.
Yeah, let's close that loss.
We have 334.
So this is the first time we close a full loss.
Quickly, just to make sure we have 324.
Oh,
I'm not trying to say something we don't have. Yeah.
5 cents. Thanks.
We're supposed to buy it at 30 cents.
You bought it at what?
We were supposed to buy it at 30 cents. You bought it.
Okay, so we got rid of back. Bank of America. For a $7,000 loss. Not bad. Okay, so end of day. So this net liquidity number, this one, or sorry, yeah, this one. Pretty much if we cashed everything out right now, we would add this to our available dollars of 102. So if we cashed everything out right now, even with losses, our account would be at 163, or sorry, 165. This number, 165. 973. So we're up $65,000 on the 17th. So that's about 2 weeks, and we're up 65,000. Now the amount doesn't really matter; it's the percentage because you can apply this to a smaller account. So you're up 65% in 2 weeks. Not bad. Still at 100. Let's look at that chart though. What happened? When does CGC expire?
24.
So next week, we might as well just let it. Yeah. Alright, so 3-day weekend. So we're opening up Tuesday at 9:30. If something gaps down bad, we're gonna close those things out immediately. What the heck? Why did this go like? Did you see that? Okay, so the 20, like this is the week of the 24th, and we have a lot of things expiring on the 24th. So we're gonna look to either sell on Friday or before. Oh.
STMD. Wait, no.
No, that was weird, right?
It did it again. It always happens.
That usually happens because it spreads. And like, what did you see? 90%?
Like 97.
Yeah, but like it happened in the first 2 seconds and then it went back down, so it's not valid.
That happened. It go to like 300 and then it got back.
Yeah.
Like 30, and I was like,
Okay, let's check these losses really quick. So, cop. Ooh. I don't like this gap down here. We're gonna close out a gap out of that.
We have 85.
Yeah.
Let's not keep track of something. You was on the 4 in a row. Jeez. We bought it at
How many do we have?
85. We bought it at $1.23.
Jeez. Alright, so we're out of cop. What else is bad? NEM. Let's look at the chart. Ooh, gap too. But it didn't gap that bad.
We're covered.
Let's just see how it closes. Like today.
Yeah.
If it closes red, then we'll, like at 1550, if it's red, we'll get out of it. This one's in the money. But we're still only up 100%. Oh, I know. Let me look at our Q. Ooh. And we took profit, I think, around here. So let's close out of cop. Right? We took profit on cop? Or we never did? Oh, wait, that's IQ.
Yeah, IQ, yeah, we took profit on.
Yeah, which one was I looking
IQ.
at? Yeah. Okay, so let's close IQ.
We should have 83 left, but I checked.
83. 11 cents. 83?
Yeah. We'd love to see it. My voice recording was on. You were saying everything.
Nice. So we only lost 1,000 on that because we took profit. I think a little bit on it.
We still have. It was so like the next
we
day.
didn't quite break even. This could have been due to spreads or whatever. So, but it's better than losing 10,000 on the whole position. So it's all good. We lost 10% of that position. What else? This is not bad. Oh, NEM. Wait, did I check NEM? I'm just trying to see what I need to get rid of. This is the one that we said wasn't bad, right? So NEM, can you write that down? Like, we're looking at the red candle. If it closes red, then we'll exit out of NEM, even though it's at minus 80. Did we take profit on TCOM?
Yeah.
Look at this. Yikes! So let's sell that.
Look at the change.
How many do we have?
What's it?
All right.
Become only.
So we only lost 4% of that position. What else? TRGP. Let's look at TRGP. That's not bad. We'll leave that running. That's it, right? And then we're just checking them at the end of the day.
Yeah. Way too
So we close out of this. What's Tiller A doing? That's fine. Alright, so we have trades on the 21st.
10:15. I'm not.
Yeah, so it's important to close out your trades. Like if they're gapping down like that and you're on calls, like why let it get to minus 100 or minus 99, whatever it gets to.
Just be smart with it.
Yeah, just like there's no way it's gonna recover from a gap that big. So, and if it does, then it's a miracle and you missed out on it, but whatever. 10:15. I'm out.
And Matt.
I think that's applied materials. I don't know.
Isn't it applied materials?
But what I'm saying is I don't know what they sell.
It's like full time.
What are we looking for?
Expires on the 31st. Strike price 64.5.
What is it?
64.5. 50 cents.
Why is it so high?
Double the price. Because we're 2 minutes or a minute off. Minutes count, man.
Okay. So,
I could have bought it real quick. What was it? What's that? $1. Boom!
Alright.
Don't watch those videos.
Alright, so CDC still up. Everything else is down. Wait, but we have more trades on the 21st.
Uber.
Uber.
WMB.
At what time?
15:21. A late boy.
No, just because that's so close to the end. But then we have one other trade 4 minutes later. What are we trading? Uber. We're looking for calls at 40.
Oh, wait.
Oh, the pump. At what? 221.
40.
What is it? This one? What is it? How many do I need?
Oh god, no.
He's dividing. 80.
Quick maths. Seeing CGC.
Oh, our AMD. What happened to our CGC? Oh. Okay. AMD's a little up. When did we take AMD? On the 15th. Oh, we just did a high. We should take some profit on this.
What is it?
I'm thinking like taking profit on AMD just because it's hitting like highs, like all all-time highs, and if it does that on a day and we're at the end of the day, like it's most likely that if the next day continues, then great. But if it doesn't, at least you took something off the table at all-time highs. And we're a little bit below it, but still, it's still higher than yesterday's.
Let's see how many we have. Okay, the flat those were expensive.
Yeah.
Like $4.
We have how many? Huh? 15? Sure. Alright. So that's end of day. Oh, we have another trade at 15.25. You're right. I could use the arrows. And we have a put again. What was our last put? F Solar. Minus 80.
Just check the chart because it's hard. So that's one day.
WMB.
Oh yeah.
Nice gap down. We're looking for puts at 18 for 821.
August 8/21.
Ooh.
Far out. That one we're gonna want to hold.
This one?
Yeah. 30 cents. August the strike price at 18, not 21.
Oh. How many?
333. 60 cents.
I don't know. What?
300.
Come on, just divide it quick.
You're going so fast.
I'm wasting time. No, I mean on your calculator.
Oh. Stupid.
Okay. I got 295. Did I get puts? Yes, right?
Yeah. Not quick.
Okay. So that's it for the 21st. 22nd, we have no trades,
For the end of the day.
but we're going to check the beginning of the day and the end.
300.
No, I'm checking because I can't see this number from here.
Sauce.
Buffer.
Probably is since we have so many trades.
Okay, so everything same-ish. Oh, we're gonna look at. Aren't we gonna look at NEM?
Oh yeah. At the end of the day, that's what we said.
Oh, well, close green. It's closing green. So let's leave it.
Price was 24.
And FSLR. How is this doing bad?
When did we buy it?
Didn't we buy it on this gap down? On the 15th? Yeah. We bought it on this candle and it's here and we're still like super down. Sometimes it's due to the Greeks, which in our style of trading, like we don't pay attention to, but if we did, maybe we could avoid things like that, but it's okay. We'll let it run. Okay. So 22nd, 9:30. $20 no trades, right? We're just checking beginning and end of day.
Yeah.
Nothing. So let's continue. End of day.
That.
Ooh.
CGC.
Still down on FSLR. I don't understand how. Just leave it. Alright, so next day we're going to
One trade. We gotta go to the morning.
3rd, 9:30.
Can't wait for the 24th.
One more day for the 24th.
We
have
close on the 24th.
NEM, COP, CGC, Artillery, FSLR. A lot of stuff.
Already close.
Oh, 85 on TRGP.
42.
Did we take profit on that?
Nope.
Nice.
We have 70.
That one was down for a long time.
The power of holding.
This one?
That's our position.
20 cents? How much did we buy it for? That's not wrong.
Check.
Okay, how many do we have?
70.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, yeah. That's weird. How much did we buy this for? Anyways. Everything else down. Let's look at those charts real quick.
95% on FSLR.
TRGP.
We got puts on FSLR.
No, we have calls. Oh, sorry. On TRGP we have calls, but somehow we're up.
I'm talking about
Oh, okay.
FSLR. We have puts, right?
Yeah, we have puts.
Okay.
They're still down.
And what day did we buy? We bought on the 15th.
Sometimes it just doesn't work out, guys. NEM's still fine to eat. Okay, so let's go end the day. No trades, right?
Yeah, we won.
On the
23rd?
On the 23rd?
Yeah, INTC. 11:41. Gotta get them right.
Oh, is it calls?
Yeah. Wait.
All time high. For what?
INTC. 21st February. It's big, sorry. 21st February. 70 and 155.
70?
Yeah. Call.
Are we at the right time?
11:41.
Sorry, it's because these calls like are way cheaper than they're supposed to be. Which doesn't bother me, but like
Yeah.
we want to get them at the right price. Okay, let's just get them. 23.
434.
Huh?
434.
Jeez. Calls?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
CGC, the money's still but down from where we were. All these are down. Alright, so end of day. Wait, any more trades? 23rd? No.
300. I'm gonna get it one day.
One's waiting for that 300% return. We already got it on BYND though.
No. But yeah, it's like 3,500. Well, 1300.
It's hot. These lights.
Too much money.
38, 19, 12. Nothing. Okay, so 24th we have a bunch of stuff expiring. What is it? We have COP expiring. Is that still up?
COP, CGC, Tilray. Oh, actually, could we already close NEM?
Okay. No, NEM's still open.
Oh no, so we have NEM.
That's the first one I'm gonna close because I was doing the worst.
NEM, Tilray.
Yeah, one by one.
Episode
Episode R?
It's fine.
124. Okay.
Ooh, INTC 121.
What? Oh, let me do that first.
50%. The INTC first.
But didn't we take profit on AMD?
Wait, yeah. I'm not sure.
Let me do INTC first, though.
INTC,
How many do we have?
I gotta go by monitor. I'll stop writing down. 436, so 218.
Huh?
218, I think. Yeah.
Did it get filled? Oh no, it's not filled yet. Oh, and it's going down. And Amat. Let's go a little bit ahead. Oh, I gotta wait because if not, it won't get filled. So we're waiting till this gets filled. It was at 121. Now we're at 100. What's happening with it? Oh, the gap up. We bought yesterday here. Now it's up here. I was trying to get this limit order filled. So we just gotta wait.
It's perfect.
I know. It's probably halted though, because it's not moving at all. What's our total P&L year to date? 64.
$64,215. So 65%.
Stuff is jumping. AMD. What did we take profit at AMD? Like 40 something or 30 something?
It was 30 something. So we could leave it for. I think that's the highest we've seen. Yeah.
Oh, new high? Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, let's go.
How many do we have?
We had like 24 before, now we have less. 10.
10.
This is expiring.
I'll just do 5.
No, it's not 20.
Huh?
I was just looking at something. Which are index real quick.
Okay, while that gets filled, let's sell the ones that expire. So NEM, right?
115.
That sucks.
We bought it at 87 cents.
How many do we have?
115. Bought it at 87 cents. And it's down. Oh.
Finally. INTC sold.
Ooh, 178.
Now it's at 178. Let's keep selling the rest though. What else? Tilray? 59? Are you sure?
1000% positive. Dude, I believe it, man.
What else expires today?
SLR.
This one just sucked.
You know we had it.
I know, like, I
Right.
don't understand, but whatever. Oh, that's fine. This was puts, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We bought calls, guys, so we messed up. And it happens, we're just gonna let it go. we most likely, let me see, what was the price for this? 47, 49 puts. 0.3. But it looks like it's halted. Because these are 0. We might have still lost on it. Or we might have made at least 50% profit on it. Oh. How many do we have?
62. I was already open.
So we messed up on that. We were supposed to buy puts and we bought calls. So we'll go back and like go to that date, buy puts, and then go back to the 24th and see how it really would have done. And for now, we'll take this loss. What else expires?
CGC. That's the last one.
TGC expires?
Do you just want to wait till the end of the day for that one? 24. Check the chart though. That's FSO. Check the chart first. Based off the chart, then we'll decide if we sell now or later.
It's like not moving at all. I'd rather just sell it now. 60.
Still in the green, regardless.
Yeah, at least we didn't lose on it. But we were up at these last contracts. How many? 60? We are up at 100% at one point.
I think we still have 2 left.
Okay.
Oh, it's it.
Is that it?
I guess so. Second Latonium, comp. TGC, FSOR, Tilbury. That's it.
That's it?
PayPal.
What about this? Uber, STMP, TRGP?
Uber is
Oh,
next month.
okay.
All the next day we have is 31st. We have 3 expiring on the 31st.
Okay, so
We still have to take a trade for today.
we have
So
trade.
PDD.
Oh, we have 2 trades. What time?
13:51. But we're still up.
What the heck? What are we doing? What are we trading?
PDD.
Puts. Alright, we're looking for puts.
So remember this time.
Jeez.
I know. One, because we had 3, 2 last
I don't
time.
know why I pressed calls. I'm like, I didn't notice, you didn't notice.
We just went with it. We were like, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why the price was
PDD 131. 131?
36.59.
How many?
200. Wait, what? No, look at the right price. That was 60. 166. It is working. ITC 286.
Oh, 6 in profit.
How much do we have? 216. Oh, that was only about like 400.
Yeah.
36.
I'll just get rid of, I don't know, like 56.
Yeah, 50, 60.
Cool, everything's still down. So, do we have another trade?
Yeah, square. Which one? Not too far. Like 20 minutes later.
Square.
Did we check the chart for PDD?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we went back to ITC.
Mm-hmm.
Told you it's about to hit 300. Where is the profit high?
23.
Crazy. 326.
Oh, dang. Let's take more.
Yeah.
How many do we have, though?
We sold 56 last time, 116. We have like
116. I'm gonna sell 60. Alright, so taking profit off the table. Super important.
We have to take P.
Right.
Square. We're a little late on Square.
I know. It's fine, because this is
214, 72.5, 52, 214.
Square? Oh. Oh, okay. Expiration.
72.5. 152. So, what is that, 155? Or 152? Right?
155. This, you look at this price.
Oh, let's go to 64.5. 65. 64.
Alright, and so that's all the trades for the 24th. And let's go end the day.
You close everything that expired.
And then we're holding for the weekend for the last week of January, and we'll see what our count will be at. I'm excited. So far, 60,000 profit.
60%. So Square's up, but profit. ITC went down a little.
Okay, so we're on the 27th. This week we only have 2 trades, and they're both on the 30th. So we're just checking morning yeah.
For those 3 days.
Yeah.
Bad.
Hopefully we get some profit.
Maybe get something.
Some. Anything expires on? All right, on 31st. Yeah, PDD.
Yeah, 31st.
And Amat.
And IQ.
And well, we already closed IQ.
We closed IQ.
Oh, what's that 140? PDD? Did we take profit on that?
That one we just took.
Oh, we just opened.
WNB. Did we take profit on it?
I don't remember. We'll look at the thing. How many do we have?
167. So it's only half.
Yeah.
84. My whole position back.
Okay. Well, did we take profit on this at above 200 already?
It was at 300. We took
Oh,
profit.
okay.
WNB, we took profit.
I don't remember. Let me see.
Yeah, wait. We bought 295. So if we have less, then we took profit if you check now.
Where's that?
Right there. We bought 295.
No, it would show red.
Yes, we have it.
Okay, so
we
let's
gotta
do it.
sell. So, 150.
How many? At 295?
This is 148. But big one. No, it's just 140, 149. 18. Did I read that right? Oh, if we sold our whole position, then yeah.
Yeah.
And that's it. Check.
Okay, so end of day.
Damn, I've been out for a long time. Sorry.
What happened?
I was like over here the whole time. Gets me excited. I gotta jump out. Can't contain myself.
You can scoot more this way if you want. What? Anything? No.
Buffering.
Oh.
PDD? No. Actually, no. We already took profit on PDD. I want something. So we have for 2. WMB, big for 2. But then we took profit on.
Okay, so 28th.
Then we took profit on INTC. It's at 28.
Where? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
I can remember.
What did we take profit at?
One something.
Like 100 something. Oh, 100.
Yeah, because
Because
that was the one that we
it
had
was
to
like
fill.
halted.
It was 121, but then it halted, and then we.
Yeah, yeah.
No, really nothing. AMD we took at 50, everything else we took at like 100.
Yeah.
WMB was like 80.
Alright, so. End of day? Well, let's start with this month.
2 more trades, but we.
78,000 profits so far. Let's get it. I want to get to 80 at least. 80% profit in a month. That's a huge deal. Our goal is 30. If you can do 30% in a month.
Compound it.
Yeah, and compound that each month.
That's compounding 80%.
That's crazy.
Just think about like if you had a bigger account size.
Right.
Ooh, square 146.
Oh, dang.
That was kind of sus, guys. I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. How many did we have?
Square.
33.
Ooh, wait a minute. How many?
33. Hit that at 12.
What did we take INTC at? You said
100.
okay. WB's
We took at 83. And then AMD we took at 50.
okay.
We like really like 40. No, it was like 30 and we took at 50.
So let's go next day.
Oh, there you go, 87.
What?
It's gonna go back down once you take the other trades, but we'll like the P&L.
Come on, pre-buffering.
ITC went back up, Square, PVD the same. AMD, went in the opposite direction.
AMD went bad down. Look at those.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Just left in the face.
And see how we were taking profit at the highs. So at this point, we might as well close it. Close AMD. How many do we have?
We cut 5.
Oh.
Okay, so
No biggie.
what did we lose? 1,300. 23%.
No, well, we actually made profit on AMD.
Oh,
Like a 24% profit.
if we took on the high, maybe.
There's all this other stuff now. Just look at
See what the tools are doing.
Uber. That's fine. Sure, as long as there's no gaps. Like something like this, we would close this stock out. You know what I mean?
I'm still having about that.
What else was it?
What that expires? Nothing expires today. Oh. TRGP. Check the chart.
Yeah. And Amat. Oh.
Hit a high.
I guess we should have closed.
That's what we gotta like every time.
Did we take profit on Amat? It probably wasn't enough. So we're gonna close this because it already gapped down bad. This one. This? Yeah. Let me do that. What? Took profit on it?
Yeah. I think we might have. I think it's low. We'll find out.
There might have not been profit to take though.
Like enough for us to.
Yeah, so it's okay. And then we said these were fine. Okay. End of day. Hey, somebody's booking it up there.
I see Publix got the chicken tender, so half off you go take. That's me.
Some people might not know what Publix is.
It's like a better Winn-Dixie. That's a good way to put it. Winn-Dixie has like the same thing Publix has.
Is Winn-Dixie ever in the US too?
They closed a lot of stores. And I can't compare it to Kroger's. I've never been. If you know about Kroger, you can make green tea.
Square 221.
I think it's like brought one square twice. I know once.
Just once.
Yeah.
Just once.
65 minus 33. So we have what? 32 left. What's on there?
32 left. So 12.
8 and 20. It's just 5 grand.
Okay.
PDD expires tomorrow. PDD expires tomorrow.
What else?
And that's IQ. We already closed IQ. And that's it. Just 2.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let's do it 9:30.
Oh, PDD is up. That way we can close the rest of it.
Yeah.
Still 80. Well, 78, but still. Whatever it's at.
Oh, look at Square. PDD. Is that those puts?
Yeah, the put. So buffer. 300. Oh, better. Wait, no, worse.
Yeah, worse.
I was looking at WMB.
But we have 2 trades on this day.
The last 2.
Now we could wait for PDD or we could just close it here.
It's a put, right?
Yeah. You wanna wait?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so 2 trades today. 10:58.
PayPal. Shout out.
What the? No, I did. 10:58 PayPal. If it's below 25%, we'll close it here. We just lost that.
We're still making 1400, so.
Oh no! We should have waited.
I told you, man. Y'all remember the thing? Not joking.
Alright, let's just close it.
68. Still in the green. But.
I guess this is why we close at the beginning of the day.
Still 700.
Oh my god, that's so wrong. Okay.
Whole video. Scrap.
Okay, so it's trying to sell. And we have trade at what? PayPal?
Yeah, it's 1258. Oh, this one, 1058. 214. And then 115 for the strike price to call at 244.
250.
250. 40.
Right on the dot.
What did I do, man?
PDD's down.
But we sold the rest.
No, we didn't. It's still open.
Click how much do we have?
What?
Go back to it. PDD. Minus 68. I thought we sold 68. What do we sell then? Do we still have 68 left? We took profit on PDD though. Did it not? Minus 85. Minus 150. How many did we buy? Let me see. It wouldn't be that far back.
Sorry guys.
Oh, we bought 167. What was there? So here we bought 167, and we sold 85 plus 150.
Did we sell more than we were supposed to? How many do we have? 68. Alright, so we made a mistake there, but it's all good. It was only down like $30, so we're good. Okay.
As far as
Did we take profit on these two? WMB?
Yeah, that's Square.
Alright, and we have. Did I take PayPal? Yeah, 2%. Up. So Cisco, at what time?
12:38. No.
What?
You're good.
Why'd you say no?
I didn't say anything. This.
What is it? Cisco.
221.
Mm-hmm.
47.
47 calls.
That's good. 86. Did you check the chart? Did you check the chart? Did you put the words in?
Huh? No. Alright, so that's our last trade of the month. And so far we're at 81, 960, but let's go to end of day. Wait, does anything else expire on the 31st?
Oh,
well, one of them.
like 3 of them. Wait till the end of the day. And the other ones will leave open because they expire.
So
our next
February.
video. And we'll close those in our next video.
Yeah.
We're waiting, we're like. Cisco. PayPal 70%. Take profit. Check what we have first. 40. I don't know if 40 or 2. I might get playing with or something like that. The guy's an idiot. He doesn't know what he's doing.
Alright, so 20. Alright, so what expires today? Oh, sorry, on 31st.
Morning first. What we have? We already sold IQ. We have Mott, PDD.
Oh, something's at 200% Square? Did we take profit on Square?
Yeah.
At 200?
Check how many we have. We only have 29.
I know, but was this a 200 or did we take profit in the hundreds?
We took profit over 200.
We did.
You can check the work, the order.
Yeah, but that's not gonna tell us what it was at.
We'll just show like if how many times we turned, so then we'll know based off like our rule.
You're right. Square. Just once.
65. What was that once? I think that once was at like
It was like 100 something, but it wasn't 200.
7.
Ugh, missed it. PayPal was up, yeah.
Now
Now it's down.
maybe it was that thing where it spikes up because the spread's in there.
Alright, so let's go end of day.
Everything that we're selling today, besides PDD, we're still PDD.
Wait, what are we selling?
We're selling PDD. We already sold PDD.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not. And we already sold IQ, so I'm not is the only one.
This one? We already sold that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because of the
Yeah.
it was red. So that's it. It's PDD we sold, IQ we sold. Those are the ones expiring 31st.
Yeah, everything else expires next month. Alrighty, so let's go to closing bell at 4 p.m. Oh wait. It's the 31st. What am I doing? Yeah. So we still gotta check this day. Sorry, we'll skip the whole day.
200. Good thing we missed out last time. I feel like
No, just leave it. It has to be at 200.
gotta stay consistent with the rules. Check the end of the day.
I didn't do it.
Why would you click off too fast? TOS is weird.
Yeah.
I think it's from a Cartoon Network, I don't know.
Alright, come on. Jeez.
130.
Oh man, all these positions went back down.
Okay.
We lost $9,000 in a day. We were at 90,000 at the beginning
But
of
it
the
still
day.
has like 2 weeks.
Yeah,
for all of them.
most of these have like, yeah.
Because everything in February expires on the 14th, 21st.
Yeah, so.
WMB.
We'll find out in February.
our
So let me
next
go
video.
to the last closing bell of the last day. And we'll pause it there. Come on.
Shazam. You see what you did?
Shazam? No, I didn't watch it. It looks so stupid.
It's not. It has some action. It's cool. It ain't like, oh my. Just DC movies. You just,
DC sucks.
I say
Alrighty.
let's see what we close now. WMB, I think it's as high as it's been.
Right. So we ended at
$82,394.
Yep.
50 cents.
so around 82.39% for the whole month of January on the last day, with some positions open. They got a ride into February. Sorry, it was nice. So in our next video, we'll continue the same account into February, trade all of February, and see how these positions did, plus the new trades for February.
Because all these expire 2 weeks into February.
Yeah, most of them expire like 20th,
21st.
Well, this one's till March.
WMB is in August, but most of them, a lot of them are 214.
Yeah.
And then 221 for the rest.
Yeah. So next video we'll see what happens, but so far $82,000 profit for the month. Remember, we were red for a couple of days, so it's good to wait.
Some are like 2 weeks.
Yeah, some of them were just red completely. Like we lost out on
NEM. Copy took profit and then they didn't.
Let me redo that put that that we messed up on. Was it FSLR?
Yeah.
So let me just redo it, just for the sake of it.
115, yeah. 10, 11. Because we were also going back and forth between our charts and all that, so we didn't necessarily get everything on time.
Right. So let me do. We're redoing this one because we're supposed to buy puts and we bought calls by accident. So I just want to see if we won't take account into the profit. Like, this will be our final profit, 82. Okay. 10, 11.
It expires 24th. 53.47 cents. 53, strike price 53.47 cents. So it's a little bit higher, but 53 put 47. So it's 128.
And then we're just gonna skip to the expiry date, which was 124. So it's like the week after. I was wondering why exactly, because like the chart was going down and we were supposed to be on puts.
7%. Because I know that if we were,
let me check this date. 22nd.
Crazy, but still. Probably looking for them today. That wasn't the end of the.
Oh no, 101. Alright, so I'm just gonna close that, but yeah. How many was it?
128. Did we do 129? I think we did 129.
This is what happened last time. If you don't do that minus, you get screwed up. Alright, so we would have done that right. We would have made more profit, but because we bought calls instead of puts.
Well, that's still like amazing for the fact that even when we messed up, we still 83%. Would have been more like 90 to 100, depending on if we stuck to our rules at 50. Then
yeah.
So, but still.
So, but anyways, we'll just include it in the P&L because
if done correctly, that's what.
If done correctly, yeah.
Probably a little less, but roughly the same. Over 100, I would say for sure.
Alright, so that's the end of this video, pretty much. We're at 122. We have 16,000 open. Oh, wait, sorry. Let me go to the last day. This is wrong info. Oh, Yeah, because this is probably gonna go down. I don't think this is at 148 right now. Pretty sure it's
But that trade we took on the 30th. Anyway.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like, we wouldn't be looking at the percentage on the 22nd because this happened in the future.
Oh look, still up 137.
Okay, yeah, but it's
right,
less.
you're on the 22nd.
What the heck? I went to 31st.
I was like, wait, it's still up. But, okay, it's buffering. There we go.
That's more like it. Yeah, I was like, what?
96. Either way.
Yeah.
Still at 84. Regardless.
Well, no. Oh yeah, you're
I'm saying, like, if we didn't include FSLR, like if we included it when we put a call, once we put it in, they would have. But still.
So total 96, 197 is the total. All right, so next video we'll continue to February and take it from there.